Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon.
Yes, okay, okay. You are all welcome to our online class of our Bright Stars High School, and the subject is English, and the class is 10. So far we have been doing B reading, that is uh, every success story is also a story of great failures, and in this lesson we have seen some success stories of some great persons. Can you name them? Who are those great persons? Ah, who made success stories in spite of the great failures? Abraham Lincoln. Next,
Lee
Lady
Forest,
Forest. Next,
Wright Brothers,
Wright Brothers. Next,
Colonel Sanders,
Colonel Sanders.
Walt Disney,
Walt Disney.
Thomas Edison,
Thomas Edison.
Henry Ford,
Henry Ford. Lee Iacocca. Young Beethoven. All these people. Okay. Is what is the success story of Abraham Lincoln? In spite of his failures, he became a success person. What was his success?
President of United States at age
Finally, he
52.
was elected as the President of United States at the age of 52. And what is the success story of Lady Forest?
He invented triodes tube.
He invented the triodes tube. So because of that only today we are enjoying all the electronic goods. Okay. Next, what is the success story of Wright brothers?
They invented plane.
Aeroplane. They invented aeroplane. Next, what is the success story of Colonel Sanders? He was the founder of KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken restaurants, chain restaurants. Hmm? And then, what was the success story of Walt Disney?
He was a great cartoonist.
Not only the cartoonist, first many people said that he had no talent for cartoons, but later on he became an American animator, film producer, director, screenwriter, voice actor, entrepreneur, entertainer, international icon, and philanthropist, and known for his influence in the field of entertainment during the 20th century. Like that, he became a great person, and he is the starter of Mickey Mouse. That story is also given. Okay. And what about Thomas Edison? Though he was partially deaf boy and he had only 3 months of formal education, he became a great scientist. He became a great scientist, and he invented
Electrical light bulb.
electrical light bulb. Thomas Edison is not given in glossary, but he had so many patents, it seems. Nearly some 1,000 patents like that. He was the inventor of 1,000 things. 1,000 patents he had means he invented 1,000 things. Though you have Atal Tinkering Laboratory, you are unable to invent even one thing. Try to utilize the Atal Tinkering Laboratory. You are very lucky to have Atal Tinkering Laboratory in our district. This is the first laboratory in our district. So you have to utilize. We have so many features, great features to our school, but you are not utilizing them. Okay, this is all about this lesson. And in study skills also there is a wonderful story. So let us read that story and have let us enjoy this story. It is very wonderful story, very inspiring and motivational. So I would like to say it in our class. Study skills on page number 20. All of you turn to page number 20. Study skills. Read the following story. A nice story is here. An elderly carpenter was ready to retire. He told his employer contractor of his plans to leave the house building business to live a more leisurely life with his wife and enjoy his extended family. He would miss the paycheck each week, but he wanted to retire. They could get by. The contractor was sorry to see his good worker go and asked if he could build just one more house as a personal favor. The carpenter agreed, but over time it was easy to see that his heart was not in his work. He resorted to shabby workmanship and used inferior materials. It was an unfortunate way to end a dedicated career. When the carpenter finished his work, his employer came to inspect the house. Then he handed the front door key to the carpenter and said, "This is your house, my gift to you." The carpenter was shocked. What a shame! If he had only known that he was building his own house, he would have done it all so differently. So it is with us. We build our lives a day at a time, often putting less than our best into the building. Then with a shock, we realize we have to live in the house we have built. If we could do it over, we would do it much differently. But you cannot go back. You are the carpenter, and every day you hammer a nail, place a board, or erect a wall. Sometimes, someone once said, life is a do-it-yourself project. Your attitude and the choices you make today help build the house you will live in tomorrow. Therefore, build wisely. See, an elderly carpenter. Elderly means some old man. Old carpenter was ready to retire. When do people retire? When they become old. When they become some 60 years or 65 years, like that, they retire from their professions. So this man also, a carpenter, was working with a contractor, and he became an elderly person, old person, and he was ready to retire from his job. He told his employer contractor of his plans to leave the house building business to live a more leisurely life with his wife and enjoy his extended family. So, because he wanted to retire, he went to his employer contractor. Employer means the one who gives the job is called employer. And the one who gets the job is called employee. Employer, employee. Okay, note down those two antonyms: employer, employee. He told his employer contractor for his plans. He told him his plans to leave the house building business. He told his employer that he is going to leave this job, this house building business, and he wanted to live a more leisurely life because in his throughout his young age and middle age he worked for his family. Now he wanted to live a more leisurely life and he wanted to spend more time happily with his wife and also enjoy his extended family. What is meant by extended family? Extended family means, see, in the beginning they are only, when they are married, they are only two persons, husband and wife. But they will get afterwards, they got children, some sons and daughters. When they are also married again, that is extended only up to sons and daughters. But now what happens again when their sons and daughters are married? Again they will get children. So they will get grandchildren. So this is all extended family. In the beginning there were only two. Afterwards they might have become 4 or 5 or 6. Again when they are married, again the children, grandchildren, like that they may become 10, 20. Like that again if they are married, again they will get children. So like that the family extends. The family extends. That is called extended family. He would miss the paycheck each week, but he wanted to retire. See, if he retires from his job, he would miss the paycheck each week. Every week what happens? He will not get salary. He will not get payments. He will not get his wages. So he would miss his paycheck every week. But yet he wanted to retire. Why? Because they could get by. Because they could get by. వాళ్ళకేం పర్వాలేదు. No problem for them. They can get by. The contractor was sorry to see his good worker go and asked if he could build just one more house as a personal favor. The contractor was sorry, means he felt a little sorry for this man is leaving his job because he was losing one good worker. So anyhow he could not stop him. So that is why what did he do? He asked him if he could build just one more house as a personal favor. Please, నా కోసం ఇంకొక హౌస్ కట్టిన తర్వాత రిటైర్ కమ్మని అడిగాడు. So he asked him, he requested him to build just one more house for his personal favor. So the carpenter agreed because he worked with him for so many years. He could not reject his request. The carpenter could not reject his employer's request. So he agreed. But over time, but as the time is passing, as he is doing that, as he was building that house, it was easy to see. The employer could easily observe that his heart was not in his work. But he was not doing that work with his heart. Just he was doing as a because that man asked, that's all, and also as a routine or without any interest. He was doing it without any interest, no interest in his work. He resorted to shabby workmanship and used inferior materials. And he did not do it in a neat manner. How did he do it? Shabbily. Shabbily means dirtily. The house was not in a decent way. It was not in a skilled way. He did it in a shabby workmanship and also used the inferior material to it. The wood was inferior material. So, in some countries, they build their houses by using much wood only. The steps, inside steps, and also the walls, everything they build with wood only. Because in those countries the wood is much available, so that is why so he did, but the material which he used was an inferior quality material, not a superior quality. Before that he used to use superior quality of wood for windows, doors, and also the furniture, cupboards, and all like that. But this time he did not use the superior quality, but he used inferior materials. It was an unfortunate way to end a dedicated career. See, he was ending his dedicated career. Before that, he worked with much dedication. చాలా బాగా శ్రద్ధగా పనిచేసేటటువంటి వాడు ఈ చివరిన ఇదొక్కటి మాత్రము శ్రద్ధ పెట్టకుండా, వితౌట్ ఎనీ ఇంట్రెస్ట్, వితౌట్ ఎనీ డెడికేషన్, he finished the work. That was his misfortune. Unfortunately, he worked in that way. And then what happened? See, now a turning point has come in the story. The climax, we say. When the carpenter finished his work, his employer came to inspect the house. When he finished the work, he informed the employer, and the employer came and he checked all the work done by the carpenter. And after checking everything, they came outside and then they locked the door. Then the employer handed the front door key to the carpenter. He handed the front door key to the carpenter, and then he said to him, "This is yours, my gift to you, because you have worked for me for a long time and you worked in a very good way. You were very faithful to me and you were very honest worker, sincere person. So that is why, for the work you have done, as a reward, I wanted to gift this house to you." And he handed that key to the carpenter. The carpenter was shocked. When he took the key, what happened? The carpenter was shocked. అరే,
Shocked.
ఈ ఇల్లు ఏంటి నాకు ఇస్తున్నాడైనా, ఈ కీ నాకా, ఈ హౌస్ నా కోసం గిఫ్టా? What a shame. He felt very shame. On his part, he felt very shameful. ఎందుకు? Why did he feel shame?
He
You only
used
should tell.
inferior materials and he did shabby workmanship.
Because he did not know that it was his house, that it was going to be a gift for him, that it was going to be a house for him. He did not do that work with interest. Understand? That is one thing. He resorted to shabby workmanship, and also he used all the inferior material. చెత్త మెటీరియల్ అంతా తీసుకొచ్చి కట్టాడు. మంచి మెటీరియల్ తీసుకొని రాలేదు. ఇష్టం లేకుండా పనిచేస్తున్నాడు. కాబట్టి ఆ ఇల్లు తనకే అని తెలిసేసరికి చాలా షేమ్గా ఫీల్ అయిపోయాడు. Understand? It was a shame on his part. What a shame! If he had only known that he was building his own house, he would have done it all so differently. If he had only known that he was building his own house. ముందే తెలిసి ఉంటే, if he had known it earlier that it was going to be his own house, he would have done it all so differently. కదా, అది ముందే తనకి గిఫ్ట్ అని ఒకవేళ ఎంప్లాయర్ చెప్పుంటే అతను ఎలా కట్టుకునేవాడు? how
He
how he
used,
would have done
he
it?
used superior materials and
He would have used all the superior material, and also with all beautiful walls, windows, designs, cupboards, doors, furniture, everything he would have built in a different way, in all superior quality. He would have built it. But now what happened? So it is with us. So it is with us means the same thing is also done in our lives. Even in our lives also we are doing the same thing. We build our lives. Who build our lives? We only build our lives. No others are coming and building our lives. We are only building our lives. A day at a time, often putting less than our best into the building, but we are thinking that this is not our own house, and we are using all the we are all putting less than our best into the building, all the least things into our building. We are not using the best things for building our lives. We are using all the least things. No interest to listen the lessons, no interest to study, no interest to get good marks, no interest for future, no goal, nothing. But just because we have to listen the online classes, we are simply listening. And some fellows, still they are greater. Some did not even join once also to our online classes. ఇంకా వాళ్ళు చాలా గొప్ప వ్యక్తులు. ఒక్కరోజు కూడా అసలుకి దీనికి జాయిన్ కానటువంటి వాళ్ళు ఇంకా ఉండింటారు. Some fellows are there like that, not even attending one day. But one day when they know that they have built their houses, ఇదేరా బాబు నువ్వు కట్టుకున్న హౌస్ ఇదే, ఇందులోనే నువ్వు జీవించాలి, ఇదే నీకు గిఫ్ట్, నువ్వు ఇందులోనే జీవించాలని ఒక్కరోజు అర్థమవుతుంది వాళ్ళకి. వన్ డే దే విల్ రియలైజ్, one day they will come to know that, one day they will come to understand that it was their own house and they have to live in it. Then with a shock, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? అప్పుడు మనకి షాక్ అవుతుంది. Understand? See, if you do not listen to these lessons and if you are suddenly announced that you have public exams and you have to write the public exams and the exams will be conducted strictly, how do the children who are not attending the classes feel? క్లాసులకి రానోడి పరిస్థితి ఎలా ఉంటుంది చెప్పండి? అప్పుడు షాక్ తింటాడు కదా వాడు. But we should be ready for everything. That's why only we should attend the classes, we should listen carefully, and we should do all the works. Understand? So, if you attend the classes regularly and if you do the work regularly, if you listen to the lessons regularly, even if it is our turn, you should think that I am your employer. And finally, I will give you the key for your 10th class results. కదా, చివరికి ఎవరిస్తారు కీ మీకు? ఇదిగో రాపట్టు, ఇదే నీ 10th క్లాస్ రిజల్ట్ అని మీకు ఇచ్చేది ఎవరు? మీ మెమో ఎవరిస్తారు? మార్క్స్ మెమో. హూ విల్ గివ్ యూ దాట్? ఆ రోజున నేను ఎంప్లాయర్ పొజిషన్లో ఉంటాను, మీరు ఇలాంటి కార్పెంటర్ పొజిషన్లో ఉంటారు. Understand? So those who are coming regularly and those who are doing homeworks regularly and writing notes and listening to the lessons carefully, they will get 10 out of 10. But the others who are not at all attending, they have to take their key. This time no easy marks. So whoever attends the classes, whoever writes the all assignments and everything regularly, they only will be given good marks. I want to play this uh, uh, role, employer's role. You are all the carpenters who are working under me. Understand? I have 50 carpenters. Some are not at all coming to the work. Some are coming. Some are doing with good interest and using all the superior quality materials. And some not listening carefully and using all the inferior material. Some are not at all coming to build the house. So one day they have to feel shame. Understand? They will be in the shock. ఏంద్రా బాబు మేడం నాకు 4 మార్క్స్ వేసింది, 5 వేసింది, ఏంద్రా నాకు సి గ్రేడ్ వచ్చిందిరా, నాకు డి గ్రేడ్ వచ్చిందిరా, నీకెందుకురా ఏ గ్రేడ్ వేసింది మేడం అంటే, నీకు నాకు చాలా తేడా ఉంది లేరా, నేను మంచి కార్పెంటర్ని, నీవు ఒక తెలివి తక్కువ కార్పెంటర్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. అండర్స్టాండ్? We would do it much. If we could do it over, we would do it much differently. If we could do it over means what? If we get a chance to do it again, we would do it much differently. ఇంకా చాలా బాగా చేసాం. దీన్ని మళ్ళీ చేయాలని చెప్తే ఒకవేళ ఈసారి అరే అప్పుడు నేను బుద్ధి లేక అలా చేశాను రా మేడం, మళ్ళీ నాకు ఒక ఛాన్స్ ఇస్తే కదా నేను మంచిగా చేస్తుంటే అన్నీ మంచిగా రాసుకొస్తుంటే. కొంతమంది వచ్చి అడుగుంటుంటారు, ప్లీజ్ మేడం 1 డే టైం ఇవ్వండి మేడం, రాసుకొస్తా మేడం. మేడం 2 days టైం ఇవ్వండి మేడం, రాసుకొస్తాడు మేడం. 1 గంట టైం ఇవ్వండి మేడం, రాసుకొస్తా మేడం. లాస్ట్కి వచ్చి ఇలా అడుగుతూ ఉంటారు మార్క్స్ కోసమే. అప్పటికి హడావిడిగా రాస్తే మీరు సుపీరియర్ క్వాలిటీలో ఉండగలరా? కెన్ యూ బీ ద సుపీరియర్ క్వాలిటీ? నో, ఆల్ ద ఇన్ఫీరియర్ క్వాలిటీ. ఒక్కడొక్కడైతే ఇట్లా తిక్క గీతలు ఇట్లా గీసుకొని వచ్చి ఉంటారు, గీకి తెచ్చింటారు. మొదటి నుంచి చక్కగా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసి దిస్ ఈజ్ మై 10th class ప్రాజెక్ట్, ఇదంతా కూడా నేను కరెక్ట్గా చేస్తే నా ఎంప్లాయర్ నాకు మంచి గిఫ్ట్ ఇస్తారు. యువర్ మార్క్స్ ఆర్ యువర్ రివార్డ్స్. Understand? The reward for your attendance, the reward for your listening to the lessons, the reward for your doing homework, the reward for your records, all these things. Understand? See, if we get a chance again, we could do it much differently. మళ్ళీ కనుక ఛాన్స్ వస్తే మళ్ళీ చేయొచ్చు, చాలా బాగా చేస్తుంటే, నాకు కనుక మళ్ళీ 10th class చదివింటే నేను మంచిగా చేస్తుంటే అని అనుకుంటే వస్తుందా మళ్ళీ? Can we get that chance again? No. Some chances they do not come again and again. Once if it is finished, that's all. But you cannot go back. What is given in the last paragraph? But you cannot go back. You don't have that chance. Time and tide wait for none. గతించిపోయినటువంటి కాలాన్ని మళ్ళీ మనం తిరిగి తీసుకొని రాలేము. మళ్ళీ మనకు ఆపర్చునిటీస్ రావు. And you are the carpenter. See, as I told you, you are the carpenter and every day you hammer a nail. Daily you are building something. You are hammering the nails and you are sawing the wood and you are fixing the windows, doing the work, building erecting a wall and placing some board like that. Someone once said, some great person once upon a time he said, life is a do-it-yourself project. Life is a do-it-yourself project. Your attitude and your choices you make today help build the house you will live in tomorrow. See, the house in which you are going to live tomorrow, that depends upon your attitude and the choices you make today. That helps to build your own house and you have to live in that house tomorrow. రేపు భవిష్యత్తులో మీరే ఇందులో ఉండబోతూ ఉన్నారు. Understand? Therefore build wisely. That is why. Therefore you build your house wisely. Wisely means with wisdom, with knowledge, with good attitudes, with good personality. You build your house with good studies, with good aim. Understand? You should not waste your time. Always there should be a burning desire to fulfill your, to achieve your aim. Understand? So like that, see what a nice story is given to compare the workmanship you are doing. మీరు ఏం పని చేస్తున్నారు, ఎలా చేస్తున్నారు, మీ వర్క్మ్యాన్షిప్ గురించి ఎంత మంచి స్టోరీ, వాట్ ఎ వండర్ఫుల్ స్టోరీ ఈస్ గివెన్ యాజ్ అ కంపారిజన్ ఫర్ యువర్ లైఫ్, ఫర్ యువర్ ఫ్యూచర్, for your present and for your future. Understand? If you work hard at present, you will live in a beautiful life tomorrow. Understand? So everyone, therefore everyone should build their life wisely. Okay, and this is the homework for you. Complete the table given below. Serial number, point to be observed, evidences from the story. And the second one, rewrite the above story by giving another ending of your own. That's all. Yes, for today I am closing the lesson. Bye children.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.